All right, so Cathie Wood is in the hood, and I do mean Robinhood, but how does that all apply to crypto? Today we're going to dive into that. My name is Paul Barron. Welcome back to Tech Path. So Robinhood kind of opens yesterday or this week a little softer than people thought. $38 was the target price. The share, of course, plummeted on its opening day of the 29th. And of course, everybody was wondering, oh my gosh, here's a company that is really involved in cryptocurrency and trying to bring it to the masses. And what was the scenario? Well, the number one thing that you have to watch is who picks up the pieces on this kind of thing. Jumping to this little routers piece, Robinhood turns higher on day after week debut. Guess who's there to buy 1.3 million shares? That is right, Cathie Wood, who placed Robinhood in the Ark Innovation Fund, which I thought was kind of interesting rather than in the fintech application. But anyway, the fact that Cathie Wood has really started to move into Robinhood, she obviously understands where the space is going, and most importantly, how Robinhood is making moves in the crypto space that could eventually become a huge opportunity for both Robinhood and also crypto traders alike. Just to kind of go into some of this, so known for being very outspoken on kind of just the whole idea of innovation funds and how that all plays into Thursday. She basically came in for $23 billion of Ark Innovation Fund. According to the fund company's public data on its daily trading activity, 1.3 million stock was purchased. 1.3 million in stock was purchased. So in terms of shares. So this right here, those shares are worth like 45 million. So this at Thursday's close. So I think this is an interesting play for Cathie because, one is she's showing faith in how Robinhood plans to go to market, which is a big one. And also just the whole idea around the innovation around these, some of these digital currency, or I shouldn't say currency, but these digital asset companies like Robinhood and what they're trying to do in the crypto space. And when you look at what they have done here recently on their new staking products and meeting with Uniswap behind the scenes at Robinhood, mainly to get ready to move into the staking business. There's a lot going on inside Robinhood right now. They are building up what could become a star-studded product and team to move into some of these more fringe style scenarios. And this, I think, is going to be a scenario that really plays out well with Robinhood and could be a great investment opportunity, especially right now where it's priced, which is below its $38 opening. So it's not really surprising given the sizable crypto role that crypto has played with them in terms of their profitability, but also in terms of their interest within the customer base that trades, including the Doge community, including other, whether you're trading on ETH, whether I trade on ETH on Robinhood's, app, which I love, and I'm doing it in terms of a lot of swing trades. So that there's so much available there in terms of where Robinhood is going with this. During its IPO roadshow, this was interesting too. Over the weekend, which was kind of rolling in, Jason Warnick, who's their CFO, basically outlined a number of prospective products, including the new wallet. If that comes into play, another big boost. A lending product, this will be big, and then also debit rewards, which is already there. We'll see more of that. The debit card is already in place, but staking will be the one I feel really kind of sets them apart, other than offering a handful of more tokens on the exchange to where you can trade those and buy those. So I think all of that, Cathie is looking at, this is a positive, and it has a big opportunity. I want to jump to the TradingView chart with Cathie basically coming in and purchasing right at the end of the day's close in that 34. It looks like this little green candle was Cathie Wood through the night. So end of trading in and around 34 and some change for Robinhood, which was first day trading lows. And of course, as you see here with the sentiment, and this is kind of one of those things that we've continued to watch, is when you see sentiment and amplification starting to split. Amplification is a really good opportunity because in many cases, the amplification does start to show upward movement, which is really where Robinhood kind of took off today. And now trading almost, when I say today, this was recorded on Friday, but we'll probably put this video out on the weekend, trading at around $36. So nice move for Cathie. likelihood as they release more and more information around the crypto advantages and advancements with Robinhood, which I think are coming this year, this stock could get very interesting. I will do more analysis on this because I think crypto is going to become a huge part of Robinhood's ecosystem, not only because of their investors, but also because just the opportunity in the marketplace is going to be there. The question I have is, what happens when they start paying fairly decent yields? Are we going to start seeing Robinhood really compete with a lot of these exchanges outside these exchanges where you can buy, these alternative coins that typically aren't available? So that's kind of the big question. I want to know your comments though below. If Robinhood were to offer, say, 25 coins, let's just go with 10 coins. 10 coins, some of the big ones, including some that you might love, like Cardano, Solana. Where would you go to do your trading if you could do it on one platform? Hit us in the comments below. If you want to hit me up for a story idea, or if you got a topic or someone you'd like us to interview here on TechPath, you can always hit me up on Twitter @PaulBaron. And of course, make sure and subscribe to the channel. Share this out to your friends, your neighbors, and all your buddies. This is where we cover technology, cryptocurrency, blockchain, a lot of innovation. So it's the place for you. We'll catch you next time right here on TechPath.